Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently holding a key meet with all state chief ministers over COVID-19 preparedness. Home Minister Amit Shah, Health Minister Harshvardhan was also present at the meet at 10:30 a.m. Prime Minister also spoke separately to chief ministers of 8 worst COVID-hit states. And according to sources, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal requested the centre to reserve at least 1,000 beds in the central government hospitals for COVID patients in the national capital there. Bengal Chief Minister, in the meanwhile, on the other hand, has allayed fears, saying that the situation in West Bengal is under control, the death rate is under control. On the other hand, she took the opportunity to ask the centre to quickly release the GST money which the centre owes the states. The meet there was held virtually and is the 7th such meet since the coronavirus outbreak. Home Minister Amit Shah also flagged the rising cases in Europe and US and asked the chief ministers to ensure social distancing and mass COVID protocols to be followed. Ashutosh Mishra joining us live from Delhi to give us more details on that. Ashutosh, take us through the inside details of the meeting between the chief ministers as well as the prime minister there. We understand that they're brainstorming over what next. The spike in cases owing to winter setting in. How are state governments really handling it? This comes in the backdrop of the Supreme Court asking for a report from state governments on what kind of preparedness have they displayed in their respective states. Take us through the inside details of this meet here. Ashutosh, can you hear me?
Yes, Nabila. So the brainstorming session is on, and what we know that first states raised their apprehensions and concern about growing the cases and several other reasons as well. For example, the Delhi Chief Minister said that pollution could be one of the reasons why the situation has deteriorated, and in fact asked Prime Minister to intervene, particularly as far as stubble burning in the neighbouring states of Delhi is concerned. At the same time, he also demanded that Prime Minister should intervene and let the centre government ensure there are 1,000 ICU beds reserved in centre and hospitals in the national capital. Subsequently, the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also raised the issue that the GST is due on the centre and that it needed for the state to, in this fight against pandemic, because most of the states are fighting with the cash crunch. She also mentioned about that there are many patients who are coming from Bhutan and nearby other states for the treatment in West Bengal, and that is somewhere also a burden on the state. So on these issues, while these states and the concerned chief minister are informing about the prime minister, there will be another meeting chaired by prime minister on the the vaccine distribution. The first part is the prime minister's meeting with the 8 worst affected states of COVID-19, as as the experts saying this is the third peak of the COVID-19. But the second round is going to be crucial when there will be talk on the vaccine distribution program. At the same time, also have to see what directives the centre is going to issue to these 8 worst affected states, how to control the situation further, or any measures that to contain this spread further. As far as vaccine distribution is concerned, the mechanism need to be brought in place, from the expenses, from its storage, to the distribution mechanism, which is going to be an uphill task for all the agencies, be the centre or the state. That's exactly why this day meeting with the states and prime minister is going to be very significant, which is underway at the moment.
Absolutely. Ashutosh, we hear that state governments have been discussing on what measures that they put on ground. But apart from that, vaccine distribution is also going to be a key point that will be discussed, a strategy on how every Indian will get the vaccine once it's rolled out. Has the discussion on that begun as yet?
Well, that is part of the second part of this meeting, which is likely to begin any moment soon, because there the states and also the health mechanism, the agencies, the nodal agencies, that part is going to be very crucial. How the concerns will be raised. Is there any solution or there any other mechanism going to be put in place by the agency? So that crucial part meeting, when that will start, there will be also further briefing what we know as far as the outcome of this entire meeting is concerned. But indeed, the key factor and key point of this meeting is going to be how to roll out this vaccine distribution program, because also the eyes will be on when the first vaccine will be declared that it is ready for the mass programming, and also because the Union Health Minister has said that first vaccination program will only be provided to 10 million the health workers on the ground, because those boots on the ground ensuring that people are safe. They are fighting against this pandemic. But mass vaccination program is going to the biggest challenge, and that's exactly why this meeting is happening.
Right, Ashutosh. Thank you very much, Ashutosh, for joining us with those details there. Meeting between the Chief Ministers and the Prime Minister is there, currently underway. COVID preparedness is currently what is being discussed.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.